To download the Gemini app on Android, start by going to the Google Play Store. The Google Play Store is the official app store for Android devices, where you can find and download a wide range of apps, including the Gemini app. First, locate the Google Play Store icon on your Android device, which is usually found on the home screen or in the app drawer. Tap on the icon to open the Google Play Store. Once the Google Play Store is open, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and type in Gemini. As you type, you will see a list of search results appear below the search bar. Look for the Gemini app in the search results and tap on it to go to its page in the Google Play Store. On the Gemini app page, you will see a brief description of the app, its rating, and the number of downloads it has. To download the app, tap on the Install button. You may be prompted to review the permissions that the Gemini app requires to function properly. Review the permissions and tap on Accept to continue with the download. The Gemini app will now begin downloading and installing on your Android device. This may take a few seconds or a few minutes, depending on the speed of your internet connection and the size of the app. Once the download and installation are complete, tap on the Open button to launch the Gemini app. You will then be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the in-app instructions to complete the setup process and start using the Gemini app on your Android device. It is essential to only download apps from the Google Play Store to ensure that you are getting a safe and authentic version of the app. Additionally, always review the permissions that an app requires before downloading it to ensure that you are comfortable with the level of access it has to your device and personal data.